I'm back. I just couldn't keep away from the nail stuff. So I'm just going to get straight into it and I'll talk to you in a minute. So the live video that I did last week, it was the Wednesday before Christmas, I think. Yes, it was, wasn't it? Didn't go to plan, did it? So I'm going to kind of redo it, but better. So I've base coated them. I'm going to use ROADTRIP, and that is going to have 2 coats. So quickly explains what we're doing. Let's talk about what went wrong. So I couldn't get the camera. I had the camera set up exactly how I always have it for like this video now, but it was weird. It was, oh, hello cat. It was sideways, and then it was black on each side, like cut off. I don't know. It wouldn't let me edit it. It wouldn't let me edit it and like crop it and spin it round and fill the screen or whatever. Yeah. So I thought, well, you know what? I kind of rushed it anyway. I didn't let people know. Don't know how many views I ended up actually getting. It just didn't go to plan. So, ROADTRIP on all of the nails. Did you all have a wonderful Christmas? Ours was, we were supposed to be having a quiet one. I don't think we actually sat down until 7 p.m. to eat our food. It was manic, absolutely manic. My daughters, they all had like one main present to share. We brought them the MetaQuest thing, VR thing, so up to date with the technology. So they've all been playing on that, and obviously me and Dad have had a little go as well, got to. But I don't know if you know his name. My other half's name is Ryan. He got me a lot of Madame Glam stuff, and some Born Pretty stuff actually as well. So there is a video coming up. I don't know whether this is going to be up first before that one, or which order they're going to be in. I don't know. But if it's already up, you will have seen all the shiz that you got. If not, you'll see it soon. But yes, oh my gosh, I was a very lucky girl. Very lucky. So thankful to everybody, not just Ryan, his sister and his brother as well. Brought me some lovely stuff. And yes, I'm very, very grateful. So because these are the New Year nails, I'm going to ask the question, do you have or do you do New Year's resolutions? I kind of do, but I kind of don't stick to them. I think everyone's in that boat, to be honest, though. Everyone has, like, the intentions are there, aren't they? You know? But we don't stick to it. Maybe you guys do. Maybe it's just me. It probably is just me. I'm more of a, I'll do it halfway in the year kind of gal. And then I actually do stick to them rather than New Year's. I think there's too much pressure. You know, you've just had Christmas, you've been drinking, if you drink, food, partying. It's just so much going on. You kind of need a break from that, and you just want to relax when all the festivities are done. And you're not really thinking about, all right, I've got to hit the gym now, or I've got to cut out my carbs, you know. So yeah, middle of January, beginning of February, I think that's the best time to start, really. As long as you start it before the new year is ended and it's another new year, I think you're all right. I've been saying it for a couple of months, actually. I need to go swimming. I live literally about 10 doors away from a swimming baths. So I should really go, shouldn't I? It's literally right there. So yeah, I think that is just the one thing that I'm going to try my absolute hardest to fit time in. I've also said, obviously, spending time with family, managing my time better. Yeah, just easy. I say easy. I hope they're easy. Right, what am I doing? I've matte top coated the thumb and the ring finger, and then I've grabbed some star stickers. We're going to go over these with some gel paints, but you know what I'm like with drawing stars. Yeah, so definitely need to do those 3 things. Swimming, if I can talk properly, swimming, I missed out the M's. Time management and spending more time with my little family before they get too old, because we were talking about it a couple of days ago. The oldest daughter, she's got just over 2 years and she can drive. She will be taking driving lessons. So it's a bit scary. In the UK, I think it's definitely different in America, isn't it? You do like driver's ed in school and stuff really young, I think, maybe. I don't know, you'll have to let me know. But it's 17 here in the UK. So 2 years and she'll be doing that. It's a bit daunting, to be honest. I don't feel like I'm old enough to have a kid that old. It's absolutely petrifying. So if I haven't posted that what I got for Christmas sort of thing, that video, I am actually using some of the gifts, the presents that I got in this video. I wasn't supposed to start working again until the 4th of January. Well, the 1st of January. I would have done a video for the 4th. But it's actually mine and Ryan's anniversary on New Year's Eve. Usually we have friends round or family. We have had a few years where it's just been us two and the kids. But we've said this year, you know, we'll just us and the kids again, because it's just nice. I really like, well, we both really like just being in each other's company, and just closing off the world. So we're going to do that. Right, so I've base coated the other 3 nails, the index, the middle and the pinky. I haven't cured that, and I've just grabbed, these are they all Charlie's Nail Art Supply glitters? I think they are. It might just be the last one, those iridescent hearts to the left of the glitter that I'm using. They are from Shein, but everything else is Charlie's Nail Art Supply, which, by the way, so cheap. And you get so much, and it's awesome quality as well. Really, really good. Definitely check them out. I'll put their link to their shop in the description box down below. Not plugging it or anything. I don't get paid. They haven't sponsored it. I just genuinely like their stuff. And that is Goddess. I think it's called Goddess. And it's a mixture of chunky glitters. You get large, medium and small. Flaky hexagon glitters. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm only putting like a little bit on. And then I'll cure it. And then I'll base coat again to fill in any of the crevices. And we'll cure that. Wipe over and then give it a buff to smooth it all out. Ready for painting. Okay, close your eyes now if you haven't seen the video yet. Oh, this is one of my Christmas presents. Holy moly. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. So I've just taken the white gel paint, black gel paint, gold glitter gel paint, the silver glitter and the silver chrome. That's another present as well. Oh my gosh. So I'm using the gold and silver gel paints that I had originally. You get them again in the gel paint kit. I'm going to do with the ultra liner brush, gold for the top left, silver for the bottom right, and then when it's the other nail, the ring finger, is that right? It's going to be silver for top left and gold for bottom right. And then I'm taking the ultra liner brush again with the white gel paint. I've got to get used to saying that instead of perfect white. Which I nearly forgot. It's been too long. The white gel paint to create 2 lines coming down from the cuticle area to the point of those stars. And I keep going out, well, my camera keeps going out of focus. It's trying to focus on all the other stuff, the mess that is on my desk, rather than the nail. And then their dotting tool, dip it in the white and add some dots to those strings. And you want to do the exact same thing, thumb and so moving on to the index well, it was supposed to be like fireworks, but I don't think it kind of looks like that in the end. I'm just taking the dotting tool and the silver gel paint and adding some dots in like a flowery arrangement, as if you were going to make a flower. And grab the ultra liner brush and then drag from that dot kind of into the centre, but at a curve almost. What are you doing, Bonnie? What are you doing? Hello. Are you coming up? Come on then. Oh, you're so beautiful. Yes, you are. And I do the exact same thing with the gold as well, down to bottom left, just underneath the silver one. And the gel paints are amazing because you don't have to technically top coat them. They have no sticky inhibition layer, no tacky layer once they're cured, so you can matte top coat and then add the gel paint on the top. So with the silver chrome, I was like, oh, hang on, I haven't added the year. So I did the thumb and the ring, and that should have been a 2 and a 3, and it didn't click until I started on the index finger. So I do the 0 on the index finger, and then I quickly go and do the 2 and the 3 on the thumb and the ring. And the silver chrome is exactly the same. It's a gel paint, so I keep hitting my phone. It takes 60 seconds, and you don't have to top coat over it. Okay, so the middle one is going to be a clock face, but I didn't want the whole clock face. I wanted just over half of it, so I've marked where I want the middle of the clock to be with just a dot, and then I marked where the 12, 6 and 9 is going to be, filled it all in with the gel paint, and then I'm going to outline it. I've cured it, and then I'm going to outline it with the gold gel paint. Give that a cure as well, and then we'll move on to the black. See, I didn't realise how much I actually wanted those gel paints, or needed those gel paints. I just thought, I've got the actual gel polishes, it can't be that much of a difference. It really is. I can literally do the thinnest, finest little details like you wouldn't believe. Incredible. I was literally blown away. So I've added the Roman numeral numbers. I started adding the hands, but then I realised that I haven't put in the rest of the numbers that represent the dots that represent the numbers. And then I add in, so it's like 5 to midnight on New Year's Eve. And then with that silver chrome gel paint again, if I can get my words out, this will be a number 2 because it's the middle nail. So get that on there. And then for the last nail, the pinky, we're going to do a simple wine glass. I suppose you could put champagne in it. I'm not a drinker. I don't drink alcohol. I used to, and then I had kids. So for 16 years, I haven't really touched the stuff. But this is another present as well. Oh my gosh, wait until you see the video. It's probably already up. I don't know, it might be up after. If it's up after, you really need to watch it. I spend far too much time just staring at the wonderment. It's amazing. So this is the Super Cat Eye gel polish. I've put a little bit on a palette, grabbed the ultraliner brush, filled in where the wine, the champagne, the liquid is going to be. And then before you cure it, get a magnet and just move that around to how you want it. It's beautiful. I want all of my nails to be cat eye gel polishes now. I just love it. I have some from Beetles, but they are not as good as this. I was going to say something else, but they're not as good as this. And they are finally all done. A lot quicker than the live video, and it went smoothly, I think. I did ramble on a little bit, sorry about that. But I've got so much to tell you, and I've missed doing nails so much. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you liked this video. There is plenty more to see. I'll put them at the end of the video. And if you haven't watched it yet, the Madame Glam Advent Calendar 2022, I've created a whole little playlist for that. So go and give that a watch if you are interested. Don't forget you can save 30% at Madame Glam using my code LittleNailRoom30_1. I think I'm going to email my lady at Madame Glam and ask her to take away the _1. I'm sure I can do that. I'm sure there's a way. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. I will see you next year. Bye.